Okay, welcome into today's video where we're going to guide you, teach you how to create a game. So we're going to use App Creator 24. So here I have it. You can see you first have to register. You sign up. You have already signed up. You can log in. Sign in here. So with this App Creator 24, you can create many games for free, and while you make money with the game or the app. So let me log in and let me guide you how you can do that. You can monetize with App Creator 24. I'm going to show you. You can monetize your game, your app with almost four or more than four different hat company, just like Mob and Start.io, Unity Art, and many more. So I'm going to guide you step by step how to create your game with this App Creator 24. So example, so you can name whatsoever you want to name your game. For me, let me put it like this because it's for the sake of tutorial. So you can find any of the icon if you have design, or if you're going to use this as the main game where you want to publish in any app store. For your information, for your advice, it's good that you create your icon yourself, or you go to any website where you can generate free icon, game free icon. You upload it here so that your game will be unique. Okay, so since this one, for the sake of tutorial, let me use any of this and mark you. Whatsoever your game is all about, you also need to write a description. If you don't know how to write a description, so simple, go to head to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT also to help you write the description and the rest. So for me, I'm going to just type anything here, anything. But for you, as you want to publish your game in App Store, make sure you do the correct information. You put in the correct information. Okay, so here it doesn't matter, you can continue because you have the time to design the look, how the entire your screen or the page, the color whatsoever can be changed. So you don't need this, you just go to next. Okay, so now we are almost there. Okay, for you, you can still go ahead, create an empty app. So yes, now we can go to app manager. So from here, this is where we can design our game. So this is the URL given for our app. So almost the app almost ready. So now you can go to section. From the section, this is where you can add many games in one app. So I'm also going to guide you. Here you can go to game, since it's game that we want to create. So okay, let me go to game. Okay, so here you write the name of the game. So first of all, let's select the game from here before we give the name. You see, from that select, you have the option to select many games here, and all these games, if you want to view them before you can install, you can view every one of the games. So this is the one I want to create. Okay, so from here, view, you can view the game. So simple. Now the game is opening for the viewing. So this is how you get to know the game you want to start. Let's go to this is the game we're creating. Okay, so this name, it doesn't matter, you use the same name, you can change the name of your game as well, so that the game will be unique. Make sure you do some customization to the game. Okay, I don't like access, I don't want people to log in, and no, I want once you open the app, let the game start, so no login required. So save changes. Okay, they have include user information. You can include this information from general info, name and icon. No, I don't want to add. So the game is here. As you can see, if you go here, you see that the game is ready. If you click here, it's going to download as APK file, that is for Android device. So as you can see, is downloading. This is the APK file. Okay, so from here, if you want to monetize the app, you go to ads after the successful creation of the app. So this is the next step, that is while you're trying to monetize your app. So here you're going to go to Google and create an account with AdMob. Is here already, so you click in. Okay, so before you upload your app in any app store, first you need to add the AdMob add unit ID for the monetization. So I'm going to, so it's still loading. So you're going to put the app, the AdMob add unity ID. Okay, so I know some of you guys can be confused, but let me quickly guide you. So it's not too difficult to monetize. To add the code, still loading, still loading, still loading. So still loading without the delay. Let's, okay, so here you have the banner ID. So I think I have some here, but I don't know, I don't want to add. So this is where you can, okay, so you had this one too. You had the native art, but because we did not allow the game to have login details, we didn't allow permission for user to register. So this one, I think no need to have this code. And this one, normally if it's just a game, you can add only rewarded video ads and interstitial ad and then banner ads. That is what I normally does. But if your game, it has permission to log in and other stuffs, then you can add all the needed code for each one. So as you can see, this is my account. It's still loading. So you can come here and you can see your view. So from here you can copy the art code. Still loading, still loading. So, and you have the option here to change how your art will show on the app. Is it below or on top? So you can decide. For me, normally I put it at the bottom. So, and also you can change the size, large or normal. Okay, and this one show art in charts. No, because it's not a chatting app, is a game, so I put it at no. So this is how it is. I think for the sake of the tutorial, let me see. Yes, maybe I quickly randomly, this is how the heart unit, the heart unit ID looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like once you have put in all the code here, because actually my internet somehow is slow. So, and if we're going to wait for this, uh, okay, it's open now. So here, let me show you. With App Creator 24, while you're monetizing with Unity Art, um, okay, so this okay, you can see this is a banner. It rewarded hard and the rest. So what you do is that the banner, you go ahead. For me, normally I also put in banner so that you know the differences of which one. So here, this one is the, okay, this one, the app ID. This is where you put the app ID. So you go to inf general info, then you go to name. Okay, so here, this is where you put the app ID first of all. Please understand, if you don't understand, ask questions. You know, I can reply you. I will do a video about any other or things needed to be known by you. So this is the app ID. So that is where you're going to put the app ID. Then you continue with the, you go back to, I have saved it. So you go here. Okay, okay, is there. So you click done. Yes, then you add heart unit again. Okay, so select. Okay, I put the same thing. Create. Since you have already added the app ID, so that's all. You're not going to use this app ID again, only the add unit ID. So this is for this one. So please do it carefully. Okay, go to the next thing, video. Yeah, I think I go with the video. Okay, then you click also create. Okay, so then you copy to, click done. I've copied already, so I go to the last, and that is you are done. You can save. Okay, so now what is left is for you to publish this app on App Store. And don't forget, once you are done publishing your app in App Store, you can come back here to tell AdMob that you have added your app in App Store. Okay, you can click here. So if your app is published in any app store, example Amazon, any of these are the app stores where you can publish, which the only few uh, app stores that are allowed by AdMob. You can see Google Play, and these are the rest. So if your app is published in any of these, you can just tick and then continue. Make sure it's published. I will also do a video on how to publish on App Store as well, so that you're going to know how all this is done. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you enjoy, please share, subscribe, and don't forget always to ask questions if you have. I'm here ready to help you guys and also guide you how to create games and also make money out of the games. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.